We will talk about edible wild plants. If you are in wild, you can find this plant and eat them because they are edible, and also you can use them as a medicine in emergency cases, and we will discuss them. First is dandelion. It's very common plant. It lives almost everywhere. You can find it. You can find it in different forms of pace of the development, and person can eat its leaves directly. If this leaf is older, you can saute them like spinach, and you can use flowers buttered and fried, and you can use roots clean and chop them and use them as a tea or substitute for coffee. And why dandelion is important in medical view? Because it has liver protective function, and it improves bile flow. It has liver protective function also, and it's liver tonic. And what means liver protective function? We have several meta-analyses, and according to them, when people with chronic liver disease intakes dandelion for a long period of time, it improves liver function. It improves liver markers AST and ALT. It means it decreases inflammation in the liver, which is very important, especially if person has chronic liver disease. Also, dandelion is natural diuretic. It means it enhances urine production, and person kidney function will be improved, and detoxification function also will be improved. And it improves also blood glucose level, especially who has diabetes, and especially uncontrolled diabetes. It decreases blood glucose level, fasting, and decreases also glycated hemoglobin, which means long-term control of blood glucose. So person who intakes dandelion, blood glucose control is better, even in case of uncontrolled diabetes. Also, dandelion is good source of vitamins and minerals. It contains vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, potassium also, and several important vitamins. So it has good contents in vitamin meaning also. And another important plant is stinging nettle. You can find stinging nettle also almost everywhere. It's also very common. Usually it consumed boiled, and it has a good taste also for many people, and it's natural antihistamine also. We have meta-analysis. According to them, its function and its effectivity is almost equivalent of OTC medications of allergy. So it has same effectiveness as allergy medications in many cases, especially allergic rhinitis, and when person has runny nose, for example, or allergy symptoms including watery eyes, stinging nettle is effective for allergy symptoms. Also, it has anti-inflammatory and analgesic effect, especially person who has arthritis. It relieves joint pain, and it has analgesic effect also if person has muscle pain. And let's discuss third important wild plant. It's broadleaf plantain. You should not confuse plantain with another plantain which looks like banana. It's not banana. In this case, broadleaf plantain is different. You can see this plant. It's very common almost everywhere. Also, you can find this plant, and It's edible. You can use them raw in salads, and leaves and seeds can be chopped also, and you can crush plantain leaves and put on your skin if you have insect bite or stings or skin irritation like eczema and psoriasis, and it accelerates wound healing. It's important because accelerates wound healing, and it has unique compounds and unique composition, and that's why it has this wound healing. Why? Allantoin is its component. It promotes cell growth and healing. Tannins are anti-inflammatory, and they improve inflammation locally especially, and mucilage is another component which creates protective coating on the skin and also helps wound healing. So if you find to protect your liver, dandelion is best at this case. For allergy and respiratory symptoms, stinging nettle is best, and for wound healing and skin infections and skin problems and skin allergic reactions, broadleaf plantain is better. That's all I wanted to say. Thank you for your interest. Thank you for your watching. If you like my video, please thumbs up. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye for now.